Hello, good morning, students. Today I will start the chapter 6 Manufacturing Industries, 5th class. In this class, today I will discuss the chemical industry, cement industry, fertilizer industry, automobile industry, and information technology and electronic industry. This topic today I will discuss. Before starting this topic, I will welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Learn Geography. If you like this video, then share and subscribe this channel Let's Learn Geography. Okay, so let's start today's topic, chemical industry. Chemical industry is the fast growing and diversifying industry in India. Chemical industry play an important role in our country's economic. That's why it was diversifying in India. Okay, it was hugely growth in India. Why? Because second, comprise the both large and small scale manufacturing industries. These industries are two types, large scale and small scales. That's why this industry play important role in our country's economy. Almost 3% GDP contribute by 3% GDP from this industry. Its growth both organic and inorganic sector. These are divided into two sectors: organic and inorganic. In this region, these are divided into two sector and also both large and small scale units in this region. And in this region, these chemical plants also large consumer and self-dependent. In this region, in our countries, these industries large consumer. According to size wise, this industry play important role in the world. They are ranked 12 in the world and third in Asia, third largest in Asia according to the Asia, third largest according to size wise. Okay, 12th in the world and third in the Asia. So last undergoing process to the further producer of chemicals. In this industry produce the self-dependent in this region. In this industry also produce other chemical which are also used to the other industry, and day by day they produce other chemicals which are used in this industry. Okay, these industry are also related with the fertilizer industry onward also. Next, come to the next point, organic chemicals and inorganic chemicals. These chemicals also two types, organic chemicals and inorganic chemicals. Organic chemicals includes the petrochemical, means those chemical industry, their main component carbon, they are known as organic, and other all are rest are known as inorganic. It used for manufacturing synthetic fiber, synthetic rubber, plastic, drug, etc. These things are produced from organic chemical, and in this industry are situated nearby oil refining center and petrochemical plants. In these areas, these organic chemical industry are situated. Then come to the next chemical, inorganic chemicals. It include sulfuric acid, nitric acid, alkalis, soda, ash, etc. These things are used for making glass, soap, detergent and paper and caustic soda. These things are produced from inorganic chemicals. There are a lot of varieties of things are produced in our country. In this region, they are widely spread in our country. Then come to the next industry, fertilizer industry. Come to the next point, fertilizer industry. Okay, fertilizer industry are dependent with agriculture. So in this region, all of you know that in our countries almost 60% people are involved in agriculture. That's why fertilizer industry play an important role in our country's economic. Okay, the fertilizer industry is located around the production of nitrogenous fertilizer such as urea, phosphatic and fertilizer and DAP. These things are produced from nitrogenous fertilizer. According to this region, India ranked third largest producer according to the nitrogenous fertilizer. According to the nitrogenous fertilizer, third largest producer. Okay, third largest producer according to the nitrogenous fertilizer. And another important is that potash. Potash is entirely imported because India does not have any reserve of commercial use. Okay, these all things are imported from other country. Potash is not available in our country for use commercially. Okay, then come to the next. Where it was situated means fertilizer industry. After Green Revolution, the fertilizer industry is revolutionary expand to the several other part of our country, other state of our country after Green Revolution. Because after Green Revolution, the fertilizer are needed in a huge percentage in our country, in this region, is hugely expand. From the major producing state is Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Kerala contribute the half of the production, production in our country. And other states are also Andhra Pradesh, Orissa, Rajasthan and Bihar. These are the other states where also produced the fertilizer in our country. Okay, then come to the next point, cement. Cement industry is essential for construction all type of activities. If we want to make any buildings, any house, factories, bridges, roads, cement is very essential. That's why cement is very essential and play important role. This industry required bulky heavy raw materials because cement is needed heavy raw materials such as limestones, silica, gypsum. These are the raw materials are needed in huge quantities. That's why it was known as bulky. Okay, and to build up an industry in an area, coal and electrical power and railway transport is also needed to build up a cement industry in a particular area. So where first situated cement industry? Then come to the next point. Here the first cement plant was situated in Chennai 94. Okay, 94 first established in our countries the cement industry. Now after independence, this industry became expand in our countries, in different states of our country. First of all, the Gujarat, the industry is strategically located in the Gujarat, play important role because have suitable for the Gulf countries, for exporting to the for Gulf countries. They play important role because Gujarat is situated near the Arabian Sea of Kandala port, which through Gujarat easily distribute this but easily export this cement to the other countries such as Middle East, East Asia, Africa, South Asia. In these countries easily export by the Kandal port. That's why in our countries lot of industry are situated in the Gujarat, the state of Gujarat. Why these are situated in the Gujarat? There are other reasons also in our countries due to the development of technology and also produce the different varieties of cement. In this region heavy demand in the other country. Okay, India produce huge quantities of cement to the other countries because India produce different varieties of cement. Then Then come to the next, automobiles. Automobiles provide vehicles for the quick transfer of goods, services, and passenger. In our countries, automobiles play important role for providing goods, services, and passenger from one part to another part of our country. Okay. In now modern time, due to the direct investment of foreign direct investment and also new technology usable region, after 1992 liberation and through India have well development in automobile industry. Why? Because the foreign investment and also new technology in this region, and also contemporary model of different countries cars and vehicles are come in our country. That's why in now the automobile industry play important role. At present there are 15 manufacturing passenger car industry and 9 commercial vehicles and 14 two-wheeler or three-wheelers industry are situated in our country. These industries are located around Delhi, Gurgaon, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Indore, Hyderabad, and Jamshedpur and Bangalore. These cities areas well development of automobile industry. Then last, today's topic, information technology and electronic industry. All of you know this industry play important role in our country's activities in now modern time, and these industry play another important role to create lot of job opportunities. The electric industry wide range of production and transistor set, television, telephone, radars, computer. These things are produced by the electronic industry, and Bangalore has emerged as a electronic capital of our country. And also all of you know this Bangalore is also known as Silicon Valley of our country due to the well development of information technology. And another important fact is that almost 30% of people employed in this sector are women. So in this first of all I will say you that this industry produce huge amount of job opportunity in now modern time. Almost 30% employed are women employed in this industry, those who are working over industry for software and hardwares. Now in our country there are 46 different center of software technological park in India, which are situated in Bangalore, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. Okay, and Pune in this area. And major important in this industry has been employment generation. I have now explained that almost 30% women are employed work in this industry. Okay. Next, another important due to the foreign exchange through now in modern time business processing and outscoring sector well development due to the foreign exchange through in our countries day by day well development by information technology industry BPO. Okay, BPO means business processing outscoring sector. They are well development to grow this industry for software and hardwares in our countries. Okay, then come to the last point. where this industry is situated. This is very important for class 10 map pointing, because every exam one software part should be coming out in your exam. So that's why this top part is very important, where this software part is situated. All of you follow this map so that you can understand better. The other important sector are electronic goods are Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Lucknow, Coimbatore, and among the major are Bangalore, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, and Hyderabad and Pune. Here these industries are situated. In this map you have also find out these are the area where the technological park are situated. Okay, today's end of this session. Next class I will discuss about the next topics related this chapter. Okay, thank you all of you.